How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I got a question from a subscriber. They want to know how to give someone a hickey that lasts. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Very easy to give someone a hickey. A couple of different steps. There's actually 3 different ways that you can go about giving someone a hickey. The obvious is sucking on the neck. What this does is this creates suction. If you do it for about 20-30 seconds, you are damaging the skin. And what happens is you get a bruise, and the bruise is what's known as the hickey. So that's probably the most common way, or the most known way that people know how to get a hickey, is literally just sucking on the neck. The next way is another very easy method. You get a pop bottle. What you're going to do is you're going to squeeze it from the middle, getting out all the air. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold it on the neck, let it go for about 20 seconds, and then pull it off. That creates suction too. That will leave you with a bruise which looks identical to a hickey. The last tip, and this one is probably the easiest in my opinion, is to literally grab wherever you want the hickey to be, pinch the skin, and then twist. Pinch, twist, pinch, twist. I'm just gonna do this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by this. So again, we're just gonna do this for 30 seconds. It's going to take longer though. It's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm just gonna show you what 30 seconds looks like, just so you guys can kind of see. So again, I'm pinching the skin, I'm pulling, pinching, twisting, twisting. And this is all I'm doing again, pinching and twisting. So again, just watch really carefully. You're gonna see right away another 10 seconds. Okay, that's probably good. Look at my neck. Look how red it is. This does work. If I keep going, what will happen is it'll start bruising. I don't want it to bruise because I don't want a hickey, so I'm not going to show you the full 2 to 5 minutes. I would actually say 3 to 5 minutes. Go between 3 to 5 minutes. If you don't get a hickey after 3 minutes, then do it for an additional 2 minutes. I 100% guarantee you will get a hickey by doing this. So if you want, you can give someone a hickey. Literally just do this for 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And you will give them a hickey. It's super, super simple to do. You can literally see how red my neck's getting. That's another thing too. By doing this, your neck will get red. But what'll happen is when this redness will go away in about 10 minutes. So after the redness goes away, what's going to happen is that bruise is gonna remain there. So you're gonna get the hickey. So again, the redness, you gotta give 10-15 minutes for it to go away. So don't worry about the redness. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.